Hey guys, so it is 7:35 and I decided to get up. It's my day off, so I better put on a mask in a little bit. And I'm gonna go start brewing my coffee and get all this mess kind of picked up. I have like a lot of food on the desk. I need to put up this laundry that I did yesterday. And we're already kind of packing all our stuff because by the end of this month we're gonna leave, or we're looking for a house. But I'm gonna go make myself some coffee. We bought these yesterday at Walmart for 30 bucks. It's 100 cups. My husband was so pissed off. He opens it and he's like, we paid 30 fucking dollars and they're not even organized. Or there's like no easy way to dispense them. But I guess I told him, well, we can just go like that and, take a random pick for what we're gonna use. He wanted to get these because these are much easier for him to do instead of brewing the whole pot. So let me plug this up and get ready for my day. There. And brew. Well, I kind of slept in. So yeah. I don't have my tripod because I put it away in the boxes. But it's cool. I don't have that much mess out here. I was probably going to sweep and mop. And that's it. I'm mainly going to focus in my room. In our room. So it's already 2:14. Like forever long since I started filming in the morning. I just started cleaning like maybe around 10. At least I declared that, and I'm getting rid of this whole box and those two trucks. Now we're off to Dollar Tree. Yay! But at least I got cleaning done. Already swept, mopped, and we already ate lunch. So we're off. Hey guys, so it's way later on in the day and it looks kind of dark in here. I had to bring my living room lamp over here because this light this wasn't just working. But yeah, I went to Dollar Tree. I didn't get that much stuff. I was restraining myself from not getting like fall stuff and Thanksgiving stuff because they were stocked up. They were like I'm guessing they had just finished putting most of their inventory in. But I was so tempted to buy some stuff, but I was like, Janet, you're gonna move. Si Osito quiere by the end of the month. Just stop. So I took out like maybe 10 items that I wasn't even gonna put up. I would have to put in the boxes that I'm currently using as a tripod because I put my tripod already in one of the boxes. So yeah, it's just gonna be a short video. I didn't get that much stuff. I just mainly went to go look around because I was bored at the house. I had already finished cleaning. I'm doing dinner right now, but my hubby went to go talk to a customer, so I'm just putting off like mixing the Alfredo pasta. But talking about the hubby, I got him some ball pens. These come with 8. They're all black. I was gonna get him blue ones, but black is more professional in my point of view. Also got this cute little water bottle. It says BPA free. It's just like this cool I want to say like mercury color. But yeah, I need a water bottle for work, and it reminds me of like the Voss water. But yeah, I thought it was really cute. I got this one. And we needed toothpaste, so I grabbed this Colgate cavity protection, you know, regular toothpaste tube. But because they did have like ultra bright, like, you know, like the ones to brighten up your teeth and all that stuff. But I know my husband's gonna be like, ew, where'd you get that? That has like a nasty aftertaste. So I just got a regular one, and then I got these two soft toothbrushes for the kiddos, because theirs are already kind of starting to wear down. And then what else did I get from? I also got these body cleansing wipes. I think like last month I got the no, it wasn't Secret. It was a Degree like packet of the wipes. But it's, like I said, it was like the whole little packet. But these come individually, so these would come in handy like when I have to go to work, instead of, I was carrying a backpack, like my regular backpack that I use for the kids, like diaper bag, just so I could carry that. So I've just been taking my small Tory Burch purse, just because I just need my phone, my ID, and some money, and, you know, my cards. And these will easily fit in there with, you know, my tampons and shit like that. So I got these so I can just slip on there, and I can take the big packet ones, you know, when we're traveling, not traveling, but, you know, going places for longer periods of times, and I have more room for it. But yeah, I'm glad I picked those up. Then I got two of these. I already opened one because the kids started painting a little while ago. But yeah, these are just a total of 3.08 ounces, but in each of them it's 0.77. I was gonna get the Crayola brand ones, but they were each $1 each, and they're roughly maybe around 3 to 4, yeah, I want to say like maybe 2 or 3 ounces each. But I was gonna buy all 8 of the ones that I found, but 8 compared to 4, and the kids are just gonna, you know, it's just to have fun. So I just got 2 of those, that way they can just have fun with it. I also bought this pocket chart. I did open it at the store because I wanted to see how it looked, and it's just really simple, just so I can put in like maybe the word of the day of the month, maybe something that they're learning that day. You know, just, I have like the little slips that go in here anyways, and I can write like the ABC on it, or sight words. Oh no, this one's ripped. Oh, I just noticed that. You guys see like that little rip right there? It's cool. It was $1 anyways. I think it just from the crease maybe, I don't know, but it's ripped. It's cool though. I don't think it'll last because it kind of doesn't feel that durable, but we're gonna give it a shot. I did want to get 2, 1 for each, but I'm like, they're gonna be learning the same thing, and they're just gonna try and take off the slips from there anyway, so it's cool. Then I got, these are the only little adhesive hooks that I found. There were bigger ones, but I just got the little tiny ones because it only needs 2, and then we're moving, so maybe 2 for here, 2 for another occasion, or if I buy more stuff that needs a little hooks or whatever. I just got those because whatevs, you know. But yeah, that's all the stuff that I got. I'm pretty sure this was like a very boring video, but I don't care. It's cool. If y'all watched it, well, thank y'all for watching. If y'all didn't like it, well, that's just okay. That's alrighty with me. But but yeah, I'm starting to get allergies. I never used to have allergies, but maybe it's just this sucky apartment that there's a lot of dust and pollen and... Okay. He needs to go to the restroom. Yeah? You want me to turn on the light? Okay, well, I need to go turn on the light for my kiddo. And I need to go finish dinner. So thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. I need to go turn on the light. Bye.